To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below. Welcome back to the detective's office. You are in your last lesson. We are almost ready to solve the letter mysteries. But before we do that, we need to talk about punctuation. Can you say punctuation? That is a tricky word. Let's slow it down. Punctuation. Punctuation. What is punctuation? When you begin to read, you will start to see punctuation marks. Now, I want you to see if you notice them in your letter sentences. When we get there, we're going to be talking about silly letter sentences, and I want you to be thinking, what punctuation do I notice? Now, before we can really understand what is happening in a story, we need to know about punctuation marks. Punctuation is another part of the code that we are figuring out. All right, let's look at our punctuation. The first thing we're going to talk about is a period. Can you say period? Way to go. This is a small dot after the last word in a sentence. It sits on this grass line and it usually is used in a statement. A statement would be, I like my dog. I like bananas. I like to have fun. Those are all statements. Those are things that I like. The next one is an exclamation point. A period with a vertical line over it at the end of a sentence. It tells us that someone is excited or yelling. Start on the sun, draw down to the grass line, and add a dot. So for example, if I was using an exclamation point, listen to the change in my voice. I hate video games. Do I sound pretty upset? I do. What if I said, stop doing that right now? I would have an exclamation point. Did you hear the change in my voice? All right, the very next thing we're going to talk about is a question mark. This is a curvy line over a period at the end of sentences. It tells us that the sentence is a question. Start with your pencil just below the sun line and curve around down to the grass line and then add a dot. Let's listen to what it would sound like if I had a question mark at the end of my sentence. What if I said, do you like cats? Or what if I said, what is your favorite kind of game? Do you know how to ride your bike? Did you hear the change in my voice? Can you think of a good question? Way to go, that's a beautiful question. Look what it says. It says 6. Color in number 6 on your detective's office. All right, I'm gonna go back to my map, choose any color, and I'm gonna color in the very last one on my detective's office. Woohoo, we have finished. You have learned everything you need to know to become a great detective. Are you ready to solve this literacy mystery with me? You are? Let's get started. To gain access to the accompanying workbook, scan the QR code or click the link in the description down below.